Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Tech W3 Web. This is Vijay Kumar, admin and founder of W3Web.net. Friends, today we are going to learn how to write a class trigger to create a roll-up summary on a custom object. The scenario is whenever user trying to create a new record or trying to delete record or trying to update the existing record. The count of the child record will be automatically updated and number of the child record will be displayed on the parent object in the custom fields. So let's suppose going to live example. There is a child object trigger, there is a custom object. In the custom object, we will be write a apex slash trigger. So we can check. I open already a record of the custom object that is a child object trigger. Here, parent object. This is a parent object. This is a lookup from parent object trigger. This is another one custom object. So there is a one record tagged from parent object. So if you going to the parent object through this link, you will be see there is a child roll-up summary. Child roll-up, there is a custom field on the parent object. So go to the related list. In this record, there is a 4 child record exist. So as per the scenario, whenever child record updated, then this parent record has already 4 child record, or in the parent there is a roll up summary custom field. So this field will be automatically the count of the child record whenever record is updated on the child. So suppose I am going to this record of child. So now I am editing this record. I am nothing anything doing, just edit and save this record. Then this, because the trigger will be fired and will update the parent record the number of child record. So now I am updating this record to trigger fire on this object, and now go to parent object once again. Now check. Yes, you can see the child roll up summary field, it is automatic updated. This number populated from number of child records. So go to the related list, and here you will see there are 4 record exist related to this record. So the related list, the number of 4 record is automatically populated on the parent object. So friends, if I am trying to delete one record, suppose I am deleting one record of related. So yes, as you can see, I deleted one record in the related list. Now I am going to the detail page, and this is a 4, but if I am refreshing the page, it will be display 3 because I deleted one record. So yes, you can see once I have deleted a record in the related list of child, after that refresh the record, it will automatically populated 3. So right now there is 3 records, and go to detail page, it is a roll up summary display 3 records. So friends, this scenario I will be achieved from apex slash trigger. So let's go to the coding part. So there is an article of the w3web.net. In this article, I written the apex class trigger. So I will provide this article in the part of the description. So let's follow the steps of this article. So as per the step 1, according to this article, in the step 1 there is a name of the apex class trigger. So first you need to create apex class trigger from this, to simply go copy the first name of the trigger and copy, go to developer console, open your org, go to developer console and click new and create the same file as per mentioned in this article. So copy this name of the trigger, go to developer console, create same file. After that, there is a button, there is a copy button. After that, click on the copy icon. Let's copy all of the code and developer, let's go to developer console and simply paste it. After that, so friends, I already created this file name, so I do not need to create once again and again. So as you can see, I already created this file name in the class trigger, and you need to create same file name and copy and paste as it is in your developer console. And after save, you can check in your browser from your side, it will working fine. So it's tested from my side, and you can do from your side and test. If you get anything issue, please write in comment box, friends. And if you did not subscribe my channel till now, please subscribe it, because I share technical scenario day by day. If you do not subscribe my channel, you will miss my next video. So I always provide the technically and practically scenario, not to provide the theoretically. So if you like the practically and live scenario, so please subscribe, and I will provide this article URL in the part of description. So do from your side, and if you getting anything issue, kindly write in comment box. Thank you so much.